Check out these stunning mountain views. You could enjoy them every single day if you lived here in this beautiful custom-built home. Welcome to our newest listing in Florence, Arizona. I'm Crystal Ryan with the Ryan Group at Deluxe Realty. Come join me for a tour. Nestled in a non-HOA community, this gorgeous property offers modern living at its finest. Situated on 1.5 acres, this 2,100 square foot home features a thoughtfully designed split floor plan with 4 bedrooms and a spacious den, 2 bathrooms, and an expansive open floor plan with vaulted ceilings. In the heart of the home is the kitchen, the ultimate chef's dream, adorned with exquisite quartz countertops that nicely complement the sleek cabinetry. Every detail has been meticulously curated here and throughout the home. The living room is just off the kitchen and offers the ideal layout for entertaining. Your primary retreat has a wonderful ensuite bathroom complete with a lovely soaking tub and large shower, as well as double sinks and a spacious walk-in closet. This home truly has it all. Reach out today to schedule your private viewing and be prepared to fall in love with your new forever home.